Hey there, I'm Vicki. I'm excited to show you the Langston, a brand new condominium style home from the Smart Living collection by H.H. Hunt Homes. Let's check it out. Wow, look at all this natural light. The open concept design of the space makes it feel spacious, ideal for entertaining. A lot of people ask us what condominium living is like. One of the main benefits to this living is the lock-and-go lifestyle. Generally, condos are considered low maintenance, which means you can spend more time enjoying life and less on home maintenance. Now, I could talk about condominium living all day, but I'm excited to show you the rest of this home. Remember, H.H. Hunt Homes answers questions like this on our blog, social media channels, and YouTube. Let's go see more of the Langston. And here we are at the heart of the home, the kitchen. For all the chefs out there, this kitchen has everything you need. Charming details accompanied with a large island and gourmet appliances. You also have a pantry, which is something that you simply should not live without. The dining nook or optional study is perfect for overflow guests or a work-from-home lifestyle. There's also storage under the stairs. Ours is set up as a wine cellar. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the living room for easy living and hosting guests. We also have a powder room here on the first floor, which makes entertaining a breeze. Speaking of breeze, this side porch has plenty. And now let's go see your owner's suite. This spacious room greets you with natural light flooding through your large windows. The luxurious bathroom offers an optional dual vanity and connects to your personal walk-in closet. The first floor also offers a spacious 2-car garage and a laundry area. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you will find an optional loft. Created to be customized, this multi-purpose space can be used as an office, game room, lounge, or all the above. But wait, there's another bedroom. That's right, there's two. One on the first floor and one upstairs. Rather than cramming 2 smaller bedrooms on the first floor, we designed this floor plan for you to spread out and have the space you need. The second bedroom also offers a ton of natural light, a walk-in closet, and is adjacent to a full bathroom. So whether you want more space for your guests or separate spaces for you and your partner, the Langston can be personalized for your needs. Thanks for checking out this brand new model with me. If you love what you see, contact us. For more information, please visit hhhunthomes.com. Because at H.H. Hunt, it's how you live that matters.